Welcome back, everybody. Many scientific papers rely on conducting experiments or surveys. They often provide summarized statistics we use to analyze and interpret how certain factors affect one another. An example would illustrate this better. Imagine you conducted a survey where 100 men and women of all ages were asked if they eat meat. The results are summarized in the table on the screen. We see 15 of the 47 women that participated are vegetarian, as are 29 out of the 53 men. Now, if A represents being vegetarian and B represents being a woman, then P of A given B and P of A given A express different events. The former equals 15 over 47 and represents the likelihood of a woman being vegetarian, while the latter equals 15 over 44 and expresses the likelihood of a vegetarian being a woman. Since 15 over 44 is greater than 15 over 47, it is more likely for a woman not to eat meat than for a vegetarian to be female. That's quite interesting and shows you that in probability theory, things are never straightforward. Now that you understand the distinctions between the different conditional probabilities of two events, we can introduce an important concept: the law of total probability. Okay, imagine A is the union of some finitely many events, B1, B2, and so on. This law dictates that the probability of A is the sum of all the conditional probabilities of A, given some B, multiplied by the probability of the associated B. To clear any confusion, let us go back to the survey example. The probability of being vegetarian equals the sum of the probability of being a vegetarian, given the person is male, times the probability of being male, and the probability of being a vegetarian, given the person is female, multiplied by the probability of being female. If we plug in values from the table, we get the probability of being vegetarian equals 29 over 53 times 53 over 100 plus 15 over 47 times 47 over 100. That's 44 over 100, or 0.44. Therefore, according to the survey, there is a 44% chance of someone being vegetarian. We can refer back to the table and confirm the probability of being vegetarian is indeed 0.44. So, our answer checks out. Great! In the next video, we are going to introduce the additive law and the multiplication rule. Thanks for watching.